Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an example of the law of sines ambiguous case where we're going to get one oblique triangle. We'll begin by using the law of sines to find sine B. Sine B is equal to B, which is 15, times the sine of 110 degrees, divided by A, which is 28. When you put that into your calculator, you get a value of 0.5034. Let's now determine the number of solutions. Sine B is less than 1 and A is greater than B, so that tells us that we're going to have one solution and one triangle. We can now find B. B is going to be the inverse sine of 0.5034. If we put that in our calculator, we end up with a value of 30.23 degrees. Let's now find angle C. Angle A is 110. And then we add our angle B, which we just found to be 30.23 degrees, plus C is 180 degrees. This gives us 140.23 degrees, plus C is 180 degrees. So that tells us that C is equal to 39.77 degrees. Our last step is that we're going to find side C using the law of sines. I already have the formula put in for us. C is going to equal sine angle C times A divided by sine A. We'll put in values for this. We have sine of C, which we just found to be 39.77 degrees, times our side A, which is 28, divided by the sine of A, which is 110 degrees. Putting that into our calculator gives us a value of 19.06. We now have values for angle A, angle C, and side C.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.